Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video here, and I'm just going to go to text, and I'm going to add in a default text. Then I'm just going to type in the word ballet. Don't really know how to say it properly, but I'm just going to also change the font. You can use any font you want, of course, but I suggest using a really bold font for this. Like this one maybe. Then you're going to select this preset style, go to the stroke section and adjust the thickness so it's not super thick. Copy and paste that and then color it white, not yellow, and paste the one with the black color on top. Then I'm just going to right click, create compound clip, go to video, blend mode, and select brighten. Copy and paste that video and place it on top of the first text. Go to video, remove background, and select auto removal on the dancing video. And that is it. You can color the text to whatever color you want, but I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!